Can you zoom in, baby?
No, but you can see a friend.
Okay, hi Tumblr. Hi guys. So since you guys have been asking questions, I guess you can answer them. What's one of the questions they asked?
Okay, somebody asked me what type of makeup do I wear.
What time of year?
Do I wear? The only type of makeup I wear is mascara. Sometimes eyeshadow, but that's sometimes. And it's only on the corner of my eye.
Yeah.
And then lipstick. And only MAC lipstick.
Okay, fancy. Alright, I wear I don't even wear that much makeup. All I wear is mascara. That we put like blush. I don't put all that. I don't put what is that, concealer, all that crap. I do not put that shit on. No, I feel like I'm gonna break out. So I just put mascara. Sometimes like a liquid eyeliner.
Sometimes.
And then that's it. And lipstick or lip gloss. And what's another question?
Do you have siblings? I have a little brother who's 1 and a 10-year-old sister.
I have a little sister. Not annoying. I hate her. Whatever. Her name is Jessica.
She takes her clothes, right?
Yes, she's not annoying.